This video is a complete GET-response tutorial for beginner that cover Number 1 Email setup step by step. Number 2 Traffic source make you money. Number 3 3 steps that every beginner want to have success online. Hello friends. The instructor on the screen of this course is Simon Gorgas. Okay. Now, first go to the GET-response website where you can sign up for 30 days free trial. This is the sign up page and you can enter your name, your email and your passwords. When you done that, click on Create Account. After you do that, you go to your email and click on Activate my account. To sign up, complete account setup with your information. I think it is fairly simple and then click on Take me to my account. And now we get inside of GET-response. How to set up your list. First, create list. Now you can name the list whatever you want. I prefer to turn web subscription and API subscription on, that will avoid you to get many fake emails. If you have many emails that not exist, all of your emails end up in spam folder. Even your real subscribers can't receive your email. Simon Gorgas will walk you through step-by-step video, please watch. While you watch the instruction from Simon Gorgas, I explain the importance of getting traffic to build your list. How to get traffic that's profitable and how can I put in $1 and get out 2? And then how can I do that over and over again, with bigger and bigger numbers? How many types of traffic are there? Just one, really. Paid traffic. I don't care what any guru tells you. I don't care how excited they get you about the prospect of free traffic. It takes years to build free traffic. Anyone can build a list. It's a matter of finding those list members that are truly active and interested in what you have to offer. We call people who open and click on emails engaged leads. Engaged leads are the gold in your database, the only people who will ever make you money. Once you have enough engaged leads, the sky is the limit. I wanted to take a second introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Son. I am living in Denver. And my wife's nail salon is at Littleton, CO. I am doing full-time affiliate marketing now. After struggling several years to find the way to make it works, and now I am on the path to success. My English accent is horrible. So sorry I have to use text to speak. So sorry if you can't feel my emotional. If I can do it, I am sure you will do better. Again, even I am very afraid to talk to people and I can do this without owning any product. Without any inventory. Without a website. Without an email list. Without a huge budget. And without any prior experience or special skills. How? You may ask. Step number 1. Find converting product but you get 100% commission. Step number 2. Create a converting sale funnel. We have done this 100% free for you. Step number 3. Find a massive Step number 3. Find a massive traffic source that can bring you a flood of new buyers. Don't be afraid to be a beginner. We all have to start somewhere. And where you are right now, is the perfect place to begin your new journey. Step out of that comfort zone, allow new doors to open for you, and let that new venture start to take shape. You've got this.